Still on our PowerPoint program here, in this short video, I'm going to talk about how to animate slides. Just remember, there's the whole program, how to use PowerPoint. Now, these are the steps, okay, we have to follow to create a good and solid PowerPoint presentation, okay. But meanwhile, this order is not absolute, okay, it's not compulsory, it must be in this order, but this order is necessary. You may use it, follow these steps, and you'll be able to come out with a very good PowerPoint presentation. And in this short video, we're going to talk about animating slides, how to animate slides. This is step 5, animate slides. This is it. And in this case, you can see this. This is the first slide. This is another PowerPoint. Actually, it's another PowerPoint presentation that will be linked to. Now we have, this is a text box. This is a text box. This is a text box as well. This is a text box. This is a text box. Okay, this is a shape that I've inserted. It's a shape, an arrow. This is a picture. Okay, and so on. So let's go back. I'm going to press Escape key to go to the development mode. Escape key. Good. Good. There's the first slide. There's the second slide. There's the first slide. We're going to animate these objects. Okay, we have how many objects here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what we'll do when you animate a slide is to see that the objects, they come into the slide, okay, dancing. So as they dance on the screen, they tend to increase the engagement. Okay, you get all your audience glued to what you're actually presenting with slide animation. So let's start with this. This is it. Click on this. Want to animate this, for example. Okay, then you go to slide. You go to the animation tab here. Animation tab. Click on it. Okay. Then you come here. Add animation. Want to add animation to this? But meanwhile, you just have to. You can bring this here first. The animation pane. Click on this to show the animation pane. I've clicked on it. That's it. This animation pane. When you come here, add animation. That is, you can see there are many. So I want to put in, let me use fly in, for example. We'll use fly in. I'll click on it. Can you see it? That's it. So this is the object, and this is the animation here. Okay. So if you want it to come in automatically, by default, if I right click on this, you see it starts on click. But we want it to come in automatically. You don't need a user input. So you click on either start with previous or start after previous. Okay. Usually it is the slide that will come in first. So after the slide comes on stage, okay, you want to see this flying in. So you click on that, that's it. You right click on it, you can say start after previous. I'll click on that. That's it. Okay. To test it, I can just come here. Okay. I can click on this two here. Click on this. You can see that's it. That's it. So let me come back. I'll click on Escape key. Okay. So I've done that. That's the first. You can see it's showing 0 there. The next item I'm going to animate is this text box here. Okay. You go to add animation. Okay. Let's add float in. You can see that. That's it. Then you now go, you right click on it here and say, let's say after previous. You can see that. You want to test it, you can click on play here as well. Click on play. That's it. Okay. If you want it to be faster, you can do that here. That's the duration. You can see it. The duration. This is it. You can see that. I want to reduce it. That's it. It's selected. Click on play to test it. Did you see that? I want to make it faster. Like that. Selected. Click on play. You can see that. Okay. So with that, we have animated 2 items. I've animated this first one. You can see it. Animated the second one. Then after that, you come here. This is the first text. I click on it. Okay. You go to add animation. Okay. Let's add, let's say, grow and turn. Let's add this grow and turn. That's it. Click on it. Right click on it and say, if you like, you can say start after previous as well. Okay. That's it. Right click on it. Start after previous. Selected. You want to test it, you just play here. You can see that it's too slow for my liking. So you click on it, you come here, this 01, you can just reduce it. Okay, You test it. Okay, it's too fast. Let's increase it. You test it. Good. It's okay like that. So the next item, this. Okay, let's animate this. You may even select them together and animate them together. Okay, you can click on it, hold down the shift key. Okay, then you add animation to them together. Add animation. Okay, then you come here. Let's say grow and turn. That's it. Good. You can see two of them coming at the same time. If you want it to be faster, you can come down, reduce that. Okay, and test it here. Good. Good. Now you want to right click on it and say what? Start after previous, because they're working together. Play it. You can see that. Good. After that, we now animate this. Click on that. Go to add animation. Don't click on the body. Just click on the arrow here. Okay. You know, order this more entrance effect. Now, in animation, you have three types of effects. This is the entrance. Okay. This is the emphasis, and this is the exit. That is, this is when the object is entering. Okay. This is how long it's going to remain on stage, and this one is leaving the stage. Okay. So the three of them, you can decide to add more than one animation. I'm coming to that later. Okay. Let me close this. Okay. You want to add animation to this? You click on it. You go to add animation. Okay. You come here. Let's say fade. Okay. I click on this. Click on fade. You can see that. Click on it. Right click on it and say what? Start after previous. It's okay. You can test it here. That's it. No, it's too fast. So let's increase it, the fade. I play it here. Good. You can see that. I play it here. Good is good. So after that, you know, it's already says you start after previous. Good. If you want to test all we've done so far, you can just go to your slideshow. Okay. Either you click on this. Okay, this one slideshow for this current slide, or you go to slideshow. You say 1, 2 from current slide. Click on that. You can see all we have done so far. You can see that. That's it up to this point. It's repeating this one because we did it twice. So let me leave here. I press my escape key. Good. Let's do this. Let's animate this. I click on this. I go to the animation tab here. I click on this and add anyone. I can just say wheel. That's it. It's not fast enough. I want to make it faster. This 0.2. I'll reduce the time. Okay. And I'll test it. I want it to be faster. Let me make it faster. Good. That's okay. Then I will now right click on it and say start after previous. You can as well say start with previous. There's no problem. Let me keep it here. Let me use start with previous. Good. That's it. If I test it now, that's it. We need to animate this. Let's just animate this as well. Strawberry. You can just come there. Add animation. Okay. Let's say then you can scroll here. Look at it. We have three categories of animation. You can see this one. This is the entrance. Okay. Entrance animation. The next color is what? Is to remain on stage. Remain on stage. Okay. Then you come here. This is exit. So if you add this animation to it, at the end of this animation, the object is going to disappear from the stage. Okay. That's it. That's it. So I think that's all. Let's animate this one. Let's animate this. Animate this. Click on this, add animation. Let's just add a bounce. That is it. Okay. Let's make it faster. Make it faster. Then where is it? There is it. This animation pane. I click on it. Let's come here. Start with previous. Good. If you don't say start with, if you leave it as on start or click, you will need to click before the animation will take place. Okay, so that's why I prefer this, so that everything is animated for you at a stretch. So click on this. It's already on what? Start with previous. It's okay like that. It's okay like that. Let's increase the speed. Got it. It's too slow. I make it faster. Click on that. You reduce the time here. Play. It's okay like that. Okay. So if we now play this, if I click on slideshow, start from current slide, you say 1, 2. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes. So that's how to animate your slide.